Hey everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve clear cache on TikTok, you should just go to settings. After that, you'll enter to the window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok and you click. Then this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about TikTok, and if you will find the update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.